And this time, let's talk about time. First, let's count the number as a revision. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12. And at 1 o'clock is 1点. What about 2 o'clock? 点 in Chinese is a measure word. There are some measure words in English as well. For example, a cup of tea. Cup is the measure word. So you can never say 2, 2 before any measure word. You have to say 2. So 2 o'clock in Chinese is 2点 instead of 2点. And 3 o'clock is 3点. Can you try to continue? 4 o'clock, 4点. And then 5点、6点、7点、8点、9点、10点、11点、12点. And let's try to ask about the time. 请问现在几点？请问现在几点？ And the answer will be 现在. For example, it's 1 o'clock now. You will say 现在1点. And what about 2 o'clock? Pay attention. Yes, it will be 现在2点. And what about it's a 5 o'clock now? It will be 现在5点. 8, 现在8点. And 10, 现在10点. And 12, 现在12点. Can we make a dialogue now? 请问现在几点? And it's 4. 现在4点. 谢谢，再见。